So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Hello everyone, welcome to The Voice Mood. I'm your host, Olivia Peck, your local millennial voice teacher. I'm so happy you're here. Let's do some harmony practice today. We're going to do some upper harmonies, some lower harmonies, working on the major third and the major fourth harmony. It's gonna be super straightforward and simple. We're using the song Like I'm Gonna Lose You by Meghan, Trainor, and John Legend, but we're just gonna be working on a little snippet of it to help us work out those harmonies and practice. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. I've been a voice teacher for about 10 years now. I love hearing what you all are working on, so feel free to leave a comment if you have a question about singing. I go live almost every week to answer your singing questions. If you subscribe, then you'll know when I go live and you can join in the fun. If you're looking for more guidance, voice lessons are always the way to go. You can sign up for a lesson with me on oliviapeck.com. I have a ton of different offerings on there. New is the Singing Intensive, which is a nice 4-week or 12-week program. There's a little spring sale going on. If you're watching this video at a later date, don't be discouraged. I probably will still have openings. So reach out and let me know if you're looking for a voice teacher or a voice coach. I am here for you. I love finding your strengths. There are a lot of ways to improve your singing, and having another pair of ears and a professional working with you definitely moves the needle. I see it time and time again. Okay, let's sing some harmonies. First, we're gonna work on some lower harmonies. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Here's the melody. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. The lower harmony, simplified, is love you, lose you. The lower harmony is a G. Love you, lose you. When you hear love you is the lower harmony. That's gonna be a major fourth below. And then when you go to lose you, that's actually a major third. So we're practicing lower fourth below and then a third below. If that doesn't mean anything to you, that's okay. Both are very common harmonies. So I'll sing, I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. And I want you to sing, love you, lose you on those words. Think you got it? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Can you do it by yourself? So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Let's practice some upper harmonies. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. So we're gonna bring it down to when she goes, so I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Let's all sing that melody together. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. The harmonies for this part is ooh. Harmonies don't always have to be in the form of words. You can also do some nice held out oohs, which I love and are sometimes a little bit easier to throw in the moment. When I go, so I'm gonna love you, you're gonna come in with the ooh. When I sing that word, like I'm gonna, you're gonna move ooh on that word like. Let's try the harmony by itself. Ooh. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Now you try it by yourself. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. Keep working on those harmonies. You'll find that you'll be able to throw them in different parts of the song. I hope this helps you practice. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer on the next live stream. Thanks for being here. Thanks for clicking on this video. You're supporting my channel by doing so and a small business. I really appreciate it. Catch you on the flippity flop. Bye.